So your vehicle's currently waiting to be assigned to production. So what do we mean by that? Well, when we disassembled your vehicle and we found some additional items, we had to wait for the insurance approval. Well, now that we've gotten the critical parts on site, which means that at least enough parts to get started, as well as the insurance approval, now we have to reintroduce your vehicle back into the shop's workflow. So currently, your vehicle is just waiting to be scheduled back into the repair facility now that we have the critical parts as well as the approvals.
If you found today's tip helpful, please hit that thumbs up button and share the video with your family and friends. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by the Society of Collision Repair Specialists. SCRS and their members are committed to the future of the collision repair industry and serving you, the consumer, well. For more information, visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.